Hi, in this video we are going to perform basic video editing operations like cutting and inserting. And we are going to use Shotcut to do that. Shotcut is one of the top 5 best open source video editing applications. The other that I may mention are Lightworks, Blender, Kdenlive, and OpenShot. So let's go ahead and open our Shotcut. So I have that one already installed here. So I get type here on the search bar of our taskbar is simply type shot, and the best mouse is Shotcut, of course, and then I'll just click this open. And so this is how your Shotcut environment or screen looks. So right here at the bottom, your timeline where you could insert your audio and video tracks. Get one here using this button, display a menu of additional actions. Then right here, the center is a couple of panels where you either got to choose starting with a new project or continuing what you may have left last time among the recent projects. But for our purpose, we are going to start with a new one. Right here, just gonna type the project name here. You get also here the menu bar here and some other uh, operations that we could use here later on with the editing. So I'll type here the project name. By the way, right now we are on filters. You could start with a playlist. That's blank. We have playlists also at the top. We have also filters here. I have also filters here at the bottom. Then we have also properties here at the top and properties at the bottom. And then you have also export at the top. You have also export at the bottom. Let's start with the project name and let's call the project Ford trucks. I said trucks because we are going to use maybe a couple of Ford pickup trucks in our video. So the video mode could be automatic, or you could choose any one of the available video modes here. But I'll just leave it as automatic, and then I'll just click start. And then right away, what we are going to do is populate our playlist. Let me start with one video. So I'll navigate to my local drive and open one video here. I'll choose this one and click open. Okay, that's the one automatically being played. Then you just could stop it for a while by pressing spacebar. Then I could drag it here on the playlist, and then we could change some of the properties, and we could do that by dragging this right here on the timeline. This is a video, so automatically this will be given a video track. Otherwise, you could also click on this and you have your track operations like add audio track, add video track, insert track, or remove track. Then you could also change the height of the track to make it shorter or taller, or reset that. Then for selection, whether it's none or all, then some options here for your editing, and then another here for the copying of timeline to source and reloading. So you could choose here, add audio track like that. So you get an audio track here. That's where you could drag this one here. Okay. Now we could remove this, for example. I also gotta remove this. Okay. Remove. You see that? Remove that one there. Because we could drag it here and automatically it will be given a video track like this one. Okay. So you have here an eyes. This is you're going to click. This is what you're going to click rather to hide the video like this or hide that. And we have also another one here for muting and unmuting. So I'm gonna mute the sound. Okay, and unmute that, and you could also lock the track. Okay, you can lock the track so that it cannot be edited or unlock that. Okay, so let's go ahead with properties. Do not forget to select the video on the track, and you will know that it is the one being selected because of the line bordering that particular video on the track. So I'll click properties right here. Let's see the properties, and then see, you could manipulate the speed to make it faster or slower. Let's make it faster, for example, twice faster. Okay, you just could type directly to there. Okay, just no, twice faster, by the way. Just press the enter key and try to play this one. So it's a bit faster. If you're gonna make it much faster, make it triple, then press the enter key, then play. See that one, it's obviously very fast. If you're gonna slow it down, you go the other way. So I'm just gonna reduce that to a value that is below 1. Could be 0.1. I'm just gonna move that to 0.5. It's a bit slow, right? Gonna make it slower. Reduce it further to 0.1. Gonna play that. Yeah, obviously you could see that it is very slow. Right, so the duration now is 50 minutes and 56 seconds from 3.32 seconds. So let's put this back to the original. Simply type 1 here. No, not 3, but 5 minutes and 5 seconds. So that's how you're going to manipulate the speed right here by clicking the properties. Then you also have the duration. The thing is, when you drag the video file here on the timeline along the video track, the duration cannot be modified anymore. Okay, even if you change that one here, but that will not reflect here. For example, I'll make it 15.15. I'll press the enter key. That will just go back to the original. The way to do that is before you drag the video file here on the timeline, you have to change the properties right here while it is still here. So I'll do that one so that you will see that for yourselves. I'll delete this. I am going to go back to the playlist. The other one, I cannot delete this one. Move that one here. Now we could change the properties. Right here, I can go properties. Take note, this is 5 minutes, 5 seconds. I could make it 15 or even 25. Alright, it's now 25. When I press the enter key, that will stick to 25 the way you specified it. And that is when you could drag it here, take that property for the duration value of 25 minutes and 5 seconds. That's the way you do it with the duration. Another thing is our audio and the video. So what I'm gonna do is back to the playlist, get one there, and I'll drag that one here, and then we are going to change the audio by turning it on, turning it off. The same thing with a video. So by clicking again properties, take note that you reselected the video file here. If you would like to hide the video, this one, somehow you would like to replace it with another one, you just could click video here and then choose none for the track, video track. So there's none there. You only have the sound, but there is no video. And you could always go back and restore that. Same thing you could do with audio. You could remove the sound and replace it with your own sound. So choose none here. See, there is no sound wave anymore. You could also do the same thing, restoring it. Okay, not the audio. This is the audio. There. So the sound waves will be restored here. So that's a good thing that you could manipulate the audio, the video, the speed, the duration, and the aspect ratio, of course, is 69. You could change that anyway. And the scan mode, which is either progressive or interlaced. It's all up to you. And then you could also change other properties here, like for example the color range, whether it's full or broadcast. You make a choice here. We are going to do some cutting. For example, here I am going to cut a portion of the video from the beginning. I have here my playhead, so I could drag that. Supposing I am going to remove this portion, I am just going to start with this one. Once you move your playhead there, click this, the split at playhead. It's just like pressing S here. Choose this portion. You click on it and then press delete. You just could remove that vacated portion of your video track by right clicking and choosing remove. You could always undo anyway by pressing Ctrl Z, or you could press the undo button here at the top, right? So you could also drag it by clicking here and drag it to the beginning, but it's faster to do this one. Okay, right click and then remove. Alright, that's how you're gonna remove a portion of the video right from the beginning to a certain point. Then we'll do it the other way around, so I will do the undoing just to restore it. So I'll go the opposite end. I'll go here, just gonna have it here at this portion here, the 5.5 right here. Just gonna stop that one here, click so that you will put or position the playhead there, and then click this one. Alright, this, then this portion is the one that you want to delete, so select that and press delete. Not there anymore. Reposition the one, there's also belong there, so you could further make a removal of the portion that's empty. Okay, could click this one again and click this and then delete. There you go. So blank here. This is how you're going to cut a portion of the video at the beginning or at the end, but we'll do it somewhere in the middle. So just position your playhead to the part of the video that you want to remove. Okay, supposing you're gonna remove this part. Okay, where are we gonna do that? Not necessarily this one. Alright, supposing this portion. We're gonna remove this. That red turns to blue, so we're just gonna remove the blue. I'll start right here. I'll click this until the part where I am going to eliminate this one. Supposing I'm gonna cut this portion, so I'll click this one again. Then I'm going to click this portion that I intend to delete or remove, then press delete. And just could right click and remove that one, or we just could drag that one here. See to it that when you do this one, especially when you want to join two portions of the slide together after making a cut in between them, see to it that this is on, so that toggle snapping, so that would be easy. That will snap it for you. See that one? Oh, okay, there's a snapping. That's very useful. Alright, supposing we are going to insert a new video here in between. Supposing we're going to insert. I am going to insert somewhere here. I'm going to introduce something here, right here. Alright, so right here where I made a cut. Go to the playlist, open another one. So I'll open a file going back to the local drive. Where is that one? Okay, this one. And say open. Okay, so it's playing, and then next thing I'm gonna do is you're going to drag it here. What we're going to do is a copy here, Control C, and you paste it here. Copy, that's Control C, and paste it here where you have your playhead located. So that will insert this whole video here in between this part and this part. This will be adjusted to the right. So I'll go ahead and do that by pressing Ctrl V. I have already inserted that one. Let's check that. Go back to that portion. So that one is already inserted. Take a look at that. See that? So there is the inserted video. Get there all the way here. And you could notice that with the length of our video. That is now 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Why originally we got 5 and we cut a small portion of that and we added another video with a length of 3 minutes 32 seconds. That one here is double. See that we resume the. So that is your insertion and cutting. Another part of our editing could be the use of the filters. Like here, you are going to click filters, and you could add filters here from among the given filters. So we have here like brightness, color grading, contrast, fade in audio, fade in video, fade out audio, and fade out video, the volume, gain, muting, then size, position, and rotate text. Then you have also the white balance. You could manipulate this. For example, you change the white balance here. See that? Alright, if you are not happy with that, just get rid of that by clicking this remove selected filter line. Another thing is the text. So you could put a title here by clicking text, and you type here the text for the on the sun. Sorry. I'm just gonna highlight, change the size and the font style, stencil. Where's that stencil? Then just only 36 or 50. Position it so anywhere you like. You could reduce the size further if you like. So it could be on one line. You could put the one at the center here. You could stretch it, the centering here. But at the center, you can make it a bit smaller and put it here at the bottom, not at the top. So you could do that one here, or maybe you're gonna make it smaller. Instead of 48, we'll just reduce that to 36. Let's make it 24. Put that one here. So that's your text. And if you're not happy again with that, just remove that here. You could add additional filters, I should say. Like for example, at the end portion, you would like to have the fade out audio. So you're gonna go to the last part here, fade out audio. Gonna click this one, fade out audio. Increase the length of the fading out. So just increment that. You see that movement as well as I increase this one to the number of seconds you like fading out duration. Now, once you're done, then and if you're happy with that, what you're going to do is to save the file here, cut here. See, that's the saving, and then of course you're going to export this to your drive, local drive. You have your own copy, so click that one here. You can export from the timeline, not from the playlist, but from the timeline. So you choose timeline, click export file here, and is location, videos. So that would be in the MP4 format. You could change the name if you like. So maybe we'll try to use one tracks one. Okay, save. The saving will maybe taking approximately 1 minute and 13 seconds, according to the estimate here. So we'll just wait. It's already 43, 44, 45, 46, 47%. Halfway through. It's already 3/4. 18 seconds to go. We are done with the saving. If ever there's a new project that you want to start with, just click file here, then click new, and then again start here with the project name. But if there's none, just click file here and then exit. That's it. That's how we could perform some basic video editing operations using Shotcut. Thank you very much. Until next time, God bless.